Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is my new wood stove. I'm just going to give it a burn outside today because I want to make sure that none of this paint that's on there and the grease, that sort of thing, comes off with it when I install it into the greenhouse. So I've got to save up and buy some bricks and a couple of concrete slabs to put it on. But it'll be going in there. You can just see this in there, just to the left there. Don't you just see that mirror? Just there it'll be going, and it'll be coming out there and up the back. So that's where that's going to be. But today, just installed the first 90-degree and the first bit of piping there. So hopefully that'll stay on. And what we've got here, I've just got some dried pallet wood down there and a bit of cardboard. So first of all, I'll get this wood broken up and get this started, and then we'll get on. Right, here we go now. This is the wood I've just broken up. Just use a shovel and just like this. If you haven't got anything, any axe or anything like that, this is what all I do. Just end of the shovel. It's nice and short, the shovel, and just like so. So you get the thickness you need. Like so. And in here, just going to show you, there is a baffle at the back. And if you just see that, there is a baffle right at the back there. Get the do you see that in there? Just in there, see the baffle there. You turn that to get the right airflow. All I'll do now is check out my see out of it. It's got a tray at the bottom for the ash. I'll do this is using some of this tissue paper first, and then a nice bit of cardboard to get it going. I'm doing this because I don't want any of the paint. I don't know how good this is going to be. This is the cheapest new proper log wood burning stove you can get. This was £216 delivered. So I have to spend some extra money, get some extra bits, like some rope for around here, seal it, and also some clips to attach the flue on the outside. I've also got to buy a couple of concrete flights to put it on. I'm going to build a little enclosure out of bricks, so I'm saving up for that at the moment. So when I've got enough money for that, this will get installed before the weather gets too bad. So yeah, that's all that in there. So we'll give it a light now, shall we? Let's light this down here. Shut this one at the top. Like this. Just light it like so. That's all we'll need. Yeah. Hopefully that will just get this down a little bit. My stand. Just get a little bit better. So yeah, that should be okay like that. Just let's have a look at that and see what's coming out the top there, shall we? Yeah. That looks like it's going really well. A bit of smoke. Just while you get it going. Come on. That's it. That is. Yeah, that's going really, really well. Let's see how long it actually takes, shall we? Well, hopefully it won't take more than a few minutes. Look on the top here, shall we? But see the flames coming up. Yeah, you've got a little vent there, you can see what's going on. Also let some air in, like so. The only thing I don't like about these are actually plastic handles, so I'm going to replace those because I don't want those melting. Yeah, so I'll just open this a little bit at the bottom. Show you just some air flowing. Just start going really, really well now. So we'll show it. Yeah. That's going really, really well. That I've actually forgot to put the grill in. I've actually fit it in the wrong place. The grill should be the next level down. Doesn't matter. It'll get going. It'll get going really, really well. So yeah, this cost me £216, and then probably another £50 in extras we had to buy, like cement, heat-resistant cement, the fiberglass rope to seal the doors, and then quite a few other bits and bobs. So yeah, just want to get a nice burn going here. Once you get a nice burn going, just let's have a look at the top there. Just see, even now, that short flue, that is not bad at all. I'm quite surprised, really quite surprised. In fact, really surprised. A little bit of smoke coming out, but nothing major. And once it gets going, this is just while it actually gets up to temperature. Once it gets up to temperature, yeah, look at that, it's roaring away now. Yeah, I'm so pleased with that. Yeah, another block in there. Two big bits. That's it. Let's see what's going to happen there. Now, I said, go around the back here. See the smoke. You've got, see that needs sealing there. I'll seal that with some cement. That might just be a little bit of paint burning off, and that's why I've got it outside, because the heat get rid of all this paint. Having that flue on, even though it's not the proper height, so the smoke out of the way. Just see the paint just starting to smoke off there. So yeah, I would recommend you get one of these cheap burners, wood or log burner. Please give it its first burn outside. Really pleased with that. Just keep this. Just open it a little bit, just let some air in. So yeah, once that's fitted in my greenhouse, I'll be able to cook on there, boil some water, and it'll save on the energy bills, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm having a fry up this bacon sandwich in the morning, grilled cheese, yum yum yum. Really good. You can't beat something cooked on a stove compared to a gas powered. Yeah, the smoke coming out is wow. I can smell the paint burning. Look how quickly that's got going. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, once that's dying down, I shall leave it to cool. Tomorrow put the grate back down into the original position it should be in. That's my mistake. And give it another fire tomorrow, and then I'll put it somewhere out of the rain. I don't want it to go rusty. And 2 weeks time I shall build my fire surround. As you can see, the smoke coming off there is a lot. There isn't hardly any smoke coming out of the chimney now. See that there? That is absolutely amazing. Look at the heat coming off that. I can actually feel it from here. Wow, man. You can see it going there. Burning all that off. I can actually feel the heat from here. So when that goes in my greenhouse, I'm going to surround it with bricks. Surround it with bricks. Because I don't want that heat burning or setting fire to anything. I'll look at the regulations because I don't want to break any laws. You can see the grey pots there. That's burning all the paint off. I prefer it to come to basic steel actually. You don't have to do this, do you? So around here. So that. And just burning it off there. You can smell all the oil. So yeah, really produces quite a lot of heat. I'm absolutely amazed how much heat's coming off this thing. I mean, I'm probably 3 feet back here. I can feel it on my face. So yeah, this is basically just the first burn. As you can see, you do need to do this outside because the amount of smoke, wow, it's unbelievable. So feel like that, wow, amazing. So yeah, absolutely amazing. Did chuff with this for £116, £50 for bits. It's well worth it. It will pay for itself in less than half a month, I should say. So, come on here. So you can see the grate is going to go there. Alright, so the grate on the top. So tomorrow the grate will go down there, and this will be a much more controlled burn than tomorrow. So yeah, if you've got any questions about this wood burning stove, anything that comes with it, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Look. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.